All right, getting ready for inspection this week. This all has to be tuned up. Battery is fully installed and a lot of cable management left. You're gonna laugh. Check this out. There's a hole there. We're gonna put that and set it up. Probably Monday or so. We'll install the real opening up there. Yeah, but there you go, Bluetti. I mean, that's just a hint, right, Bluetti? All right, well, yeah, that's the system. The beast 18 kPV is still going to be installed on the outside there of this wall, and probably some more batteries. But everything is doing good. Let's see what our solar is right now. 9:21 a.m. We're doing okay.